Hello, everyone. Janine Scott, eXp Realty, coming to you from 1746 Wheeler Road. Doing an open house today, and the open house has been really great. Beautiful day for it. Lots of people strolling through. I want to show you this beautiful house. It sits on over 18 acres. It's over 4,000 square feet. As you come in, you're walking right into the living room. Gas fireplace, large windows, doors, right into the kitchen. Massive island, eat-in kitchen. Double oven, gas stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave. Over on this end, well, let me take you out while we're here. The outdoor kitchen, gas stove, seating area, nice and cool, gas fire, of course TV. I'm going to take you into the second bedroom first. Down the hallway, bathroom, full bath. Second bedroom, which is now utilized as an office. Again, those large windows. And as we go through the kitchen dining area, we have a butler's pantry with a wine refrigerator. This is our primary suite. Beautiful primary bathroom. You have dual sinks, standalone shower, soaking tub. And then, this is rare anymore, pocket doors. It's very nice to see pocket doors utilized in living spaces. Very large walk-in closet. Walk-in closet, you have another sliding door into the laundry room. Half bath. And then through this door is the garage. It's a 2-car garage. That also leads back to the back porch that I showed you. We're gonna head to the basement. Beautiful black walls. Wrought iron. Very open. There's a 4th bedroom. Basement. Set up as a basement right now. Beautiful recessed lighting. Game room. Safe space. Have a kegerator, wet bar. Another full bathroom. Patio area. Has